If you're new, welcome back. If you're not, I'm G, and today I'm doing an unboxing slash review slash first impressions of the Fendi Nano Baguette Bag Charm. I think that's what it's called. If you are new here, please subscribe. Even if you're returning and you don't or haven't already subscribed, just subscribe. It helps me out. I am on almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to do a nice giveaway when I get there, so you don't want to miss that. So hit the little button. I make beauty, lifestyle, fashion, luxury type content, so if that's your thing, you'll love it here. So go ahead and subscribe. So without further ado, this bag has been on my radar maybe like a couple months. I seen it once and I was like, oh, that's kind of cute, and I never thought about it again. But then with the Fendi Skims, and I did get some things from that collection, and it should be up here somewhere. So with the Fendi Skims, I was like, I want a bag to go with that. And I actually saw one on the site that was a part of the Fendi Skims collection, and it was the Nano Baguette Charm. However, it was sold out when I actually went to like inquire about it, and I was like, oh, that's kind of cute. And I remember I had seen it before, and I was like, do I want this? Is this something that I want? So I started doing some research, and I'm like, maybe I do want it. And I ended up getting it. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. So I did order from Fendi online, and it did come with this nice bag and a bow, which is a plus. And it's in this little box. This is so tiny. It's so small, like my hand is bigger than this box. But it did come in this box, this nice dust bag. Look at this, it's so small. But this is the bag that I got. Bag Charm. It's so small, child. But this is what I ended up getting, and I got it in the fabric in the Fendi Zucca print. As you can see, it has the double F's at the clasp. Let me close it. And it is brown. And what I did like about this, they have so many different colors, so many different fabrics, leather, shearlings, everything, you name it. But I wanted this one because I feel like I could get the most wear out of it. And if you look closely, it has like this lining, which is like a dark brown slash black. And I feel like I could just wear this with every single thing. So it's giving me brown and black. I can wear it with either browns, either blacks, all colors. It's just like a neutral to me. So I ended up going with this. It is so small. So I did have some buyer's remorse when I like received it, because I was like, this is so small, and for the price, like, it's pretty up there for this little teeny thing. But what made me love it was, first of all, it has this nice gold chain, so you can wear it crossbody. It's very versatile. It also has this like key ring clip right here, so you can clip it to your jeans, you can clip it to another bag. That's why it's called a charm, so it can be like a charm on a bag. It's just so versatile and so cute. And what really made me want to keep it was I can add this. So this is my Samorga, I think it's is it a keychain or handle or something? But I got it for one of my Louis Vuitton bags, but I can add this and wear it like a top handle. So I was like, okay, I'm sold. This is so versatile. I will get my cost per wear. So yeah, I will show you how I put this one in a second, but I thought that was so cute and it made me just want to have it. So like I said, she is tiny. So let's see what can fit inside. So I do have 4 cards, and there is like a slot right here for cards. So I'm going to slip those in. I have some cash. I'll slip it in the card slot as well. And I have a mini lip gloss that can fit. I have a hand sanitizer that can fit, no problem. And then I'll take that out, and I'll still keep the cards and the cash in. And I have my ear pods that's in there, lip gloss that's in there. Perfect. Not bulging. So I mean, I could get my essentials, and nowadays I don't even carry that much. Like, I'm really just grabbing keys, and I have like a Louis Vuitton like key pouch that has all my cards and stuff. I really don't carry much. I don't really go too many places where I need like a big bag. So yeah, this is all my essentials. So I have my key fob, lip gloss. Let's see if I can fit one more thing. It's really all about configuring, like moving things around to make everything fit. I don't know if the lip gloss is gonna fit. No, the lip gloss doesn't fit, but I can do the keys and the hand sanitizer. Or can I? Maybe. Okay, so I have them both like standing up. Now let's see if that will work. No. Okay, so that does not work. Keys and hand sanitizer doesn't work. So yeah, I mean, you just have to play around with your essentials. I can definitely stuff a mask in here if I needed to. But yeah, I just think this is just so cute to just literally throw on. Like grocery stores, Target runs, play dates, because I do have a small son. Anything. Even going out, I could wear this. It's super cute. The only concern I do have is with the fabric, because I feel like it may snag and I don't want to have to baby this bag. We'll see. We'll see with the wear and tear. But so far, I really think it's so cute, and I just wanted to come on here and show you guys. This is like the smallest bag I've ever seen. And it is a bag because it has a strap. So let me just show you how I put on that other gold chain to make it a top handle. Like, that was just so cute when I did it the other day. I was like, yeah, I'm keeping this. Okay, so it's on. It's so cute like this. I really, really, really love it. I think this is super cute. And like, now that I know, I can kind of like switch the chains and stuff, because this long gold chain is removable. And like, I plan on wearing it like around my waist, like a fanny pack, like maybe around my neck, like a cute keychain for like a little Instagram moment. This way, like if I'm going out, like it's so cute. I can put it on my shoulder, I can put it on my, like I said, my pants pocket, my purse. Like, the possibilities are endless, and I'm super happy that I did purchase this. Like I said, I had some buyer's remorse because I was just like, it's so tiny and it was not cheap. But it's so cute, and I am Mrs. Treat Yourself, so I'm going to treat myself. If it's the last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to treat myself. So this was my little early Christmas gift. Look at it, oh my, it's so small, but it's so cute. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and like show you guys this little tiniest bag that I've ever seen from Fendi. If you are in the market for like a micro or nano bag, did I say the name of it? It is the Nano Baguette Bag Charm. Yes, and she is so cute. So yes, that's just basically it. Like I said, it can hold your essentials. Yeah, treat yourself if you want it. Like I said, it is not cheap, and like some of the like the Jack Moose, those types of bags, they're probably bigger than this, and they are cheaper than this. However, you know, it is what it is. I'm not one to argue about prices. Like, I know what I'm paying for. But yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like this, comment down below. If you think it's absolutely ridiculous, comment down below still. I still want to hear you guys' opinions. Also, let me know what other types of videos you guys want to see. As I approach 1,000, I just want to thank everyone who watches every video or who is subscribed, because I know you don't have to, and you did. So I just really am super grateful and thankful, and I really do appreciate it. And I want to make content for you. If you're subscribed to me, obviously you want to see what I'm going to post. So I would love to cater to you and make the content that you want to see. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.